What if you should hire me as a wedding video editor? Step number 1, onboarding. After downloading your data, I review all your raw footage in detail, study your sample videos, and plan the story of your film. Step number 2, culling. Culling is the first and most important stage of editing process. I import all footage into Premiere Pro, carefully review each clip, and select only the strongest moment from every shot. Step number 3, sync and structure. I sync multicam, clean audio, and organized timeline for ceremony and speeches. Step number 4, story edit. I create emotional and clean wedding that perfectly match your brand. Step number 5, music. Music is one and the most important element of the wedding film, as it set all over the emotion and feel of the video. I always prefer to use client music choice first. But if you are unsure about the music, no problem at all. I can select it myself because I have a premium subscription of MusicBed. Step number 6, sound effect. I personally add carefully sound effects such as drone sound, wind ambience, grass movement, birds, crowd reaction, and other natural sound to enhance the overall cinematic feel. Step number 7, color grading. I start by applying LUTs that match your preferred style. Step number 8, delivery. The final video is delivered in your requested format and resolution. Step number 9, revision. Even after delivery, I remain fully available. I will revise your video again and again until you and your client are completely satisfied. So what are you waiting for? Just send me your raw footage and I will bring magic with my editing skill.